Okay, we have a Haas Vertical Machining Center, model VF3, serial number 3327. It's new in October of 2003. It has a 2-speed gearbox, 40 taper, Cat 40 with a 20 ATC, programmable coolant, chip auger, and we're going to run it for you. Right now we're running 1500 RPM. Again, it goes up to 7,500 RPM.
That's
3,000 RPM. Machine is 1,000 IPM in rapid, inch per minute travel on the table and the head. 5,000 RPM right now of the spindle. Very, very quiet machine. Again, 20 ATC, Cat 40. Machine's got the programmable coolant. We're simulating a tool change. Simulating a second tool change. Running the x-axis. It's 40 inches in X, 20 inches in Y, 25 in Z, and it has a 48 by 18 inch T-slotted table. That's your Y. Again, all the axes are nice and quiet, ball screws and motors. And that's your Z. Okay, that's the control. And hey, thank you for watching our video.